This bookshelf cost me less than a takeaway dinner and was gonna end up in a landfill, and this is how I transformed it. These 90s pine cabinets are a dime a dozen on Marketplace. People don't want it anymore and usually they end up in the landfill, but I saw something that was hidden inside it. I gave it a quick sand so that the paint can adhere to it. And then I gave it 2 coats of undercoat, just to make sure that the old varnish won't seep through. And then I decided to paint this bookshelf in teal green, a kind of bluish green color that I have seen back in India in temples. My plan is to give it this bright teal color, that way I can use timber wooden masks along the side as a contrast. As I had let it dry outside, a gust of wind pushed the bookshelf down, damaging a little bit of the bookshelves. So a lesson learned is don't let the bookshelf stand upright outside when it's a windy day. I didn't want the bookshelf to look perfect, so I wasn't going to use fillers to get it back to perfection. I gave it a bit of touch-up paint and it was done. I hope you like this video, and if you do, make sure you click on the like button. I make videos on travel, learning and making stuff. If you want to follow me on this journey, make sure you follow the channel. See you in the next video, and until then, live curiously.